Hi! In this video I'm going to tell you how to edit your Squarespace website template. As I said in PDF guide that you received after purchase, you will receive an email from Squarespace. In PDF you can see the screenshot how that email looks like and some detailed instructions if you need to. You should only accept the transfer by one button, log in into your account, and you will see the template like this one on your dashboard. Remember to let me know as soon as you accept the invitation so I can transfer full ownership to you, because after accepting the invitation you will be only the administrator and I need to transfer full ownership. Today I will show you some edits on this template. Let's start. First of all, I recommend you to make a copy of this website inside your account, so if something goes wrong you can go back to the original template. Here in dashboard, click here and choose duplicate website. Now we can start editing. So here we are in the Squarespace editor. As you can see, it's what you see is what you get. Here is drag and drop editor, so here is no code and other complex things like in WordPress that makes you confused if you're a beginner. So everything is going to look exactly like you see in the demo that you purchased, with all photos and all fonts. Here you will see the preview of your website, and here are some options to manage your website. Here you can find pages, the list of all pages on your website, design, so you can get access to the website styles, your browser icon, checkout page for a 4-page, and so on. Commerce is for shop owners, marketing, settings, help, and so on. I'm gonna show you the basics today of how to change out the text, the pictures, graphics, menus. We're not going to go into totally ripping this apart and like redesigning a website or anything too complex today. To edit the website, click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview. And let's start from the header. The first thing you might want to do is to rename your website. Hover over the header and click Edit Site Header. Then click Site Title and Logo, and here you can change title and upload your logo image. Let's name it Amelia. OK, and remember always to click Save to save your changes. In this template, header is fixed, and when you scroll the page the header is visible. This is very convenient for site visitors, but you can change this if you open the header settings. And here in fixed position, choose the option you need. You can choose basic or scroll back, or you can simply turn it off. Header and footer will be the same throughout every page, so you do not have to redesign it every time. Okay, let's see how to rename our menu. Save all the changes that you've made and click Exit. Then choose Pages. And here you can rename your pages, duplicate them, or hide if you do not need them. For example, if you do not want to write posts on your website, click here and turn off this Enable Page option. So in the main navigation section there are pages that are appeared in the menu in header. If you want to create a page that will not be appeared in the menu, you should create it in Not Linked section. In this template there are already two such pages, Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions. They are published and available for users, but did not appear in the menu. So if we want to rename a page, click Settings and let's rename it Services and save. The next thing to understand is each page is broken down into sections. The elements are actually anchored to each section. Like this section is going to contain a photo with text and button. You can reorder your sections if you want to. For example, you can swap the section My Services and this photo gallery by clicking here Move Up or Move Down. To add a new section, click on Add Section button, and here you can add a standard or a blank section to start from scratch. Another advice is not getting like too crazy editing it, because the whole point of a template is so that you don't have to do too much work. And also please note that if you move things around in the site, check the mobile version before publishing, because you may need to move things around in the mobile version as well. Therefore, the best reason to avoid a lot of work is to stick to the basic template and not make many changes, especially if you're a beginner. It is easy to change your text. Just double click on it or any title or paragraph text and start typing. So let's change I'm Olivia, for example, and here you can change size, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. You can add your link, or you can add highlight to your text and so on. If you want to change a photo, click on it, then click edit and replace. You can upload your image here or browse stock images. So add image. Also here in the design tab you can change the shape of the photo. You know, the best way to learn elements is to click on them and see what you can do. Now let's change the background. Click on edit section, background, then replace the image. I'm going to choose again a free photo in here from Unsplash, but you can upload your photo. After edits, remember to save your changes. You can change the most important thing perhaps for button is your link to make it go where you want. Click on button, then edit, and here you have multiple options. You can link it to a page. For example, user clicks on book button and he will be redirected to the contact page with contact form here, or to web address, or you can upload a file that user will download when he clicks the button, for example your price in PDF or something, and so on. Now I'll show you how to edit website colors and fonts. In the right corner here there is a brush, click on it and you will see the site styles. Here you can change colors and fonts for the whole website. In colors there is a palette. You can add 5 your branding colors and Squarespace automatically creates 10 color themes. As you can see here, each section uses one of these color themes. First section uses darkest one, second lightest one, then light one, bright 2, light 1, and so on. When you edit the color on color palette or in color themes, this color will be changed on the whole website. Let's change some colors to see how it works. So edit palette. Okay, now you see that some colors in color palettes are also changed. Now let's change the colors for second section. For example, if I want another color for the button, I need to open Site Styles, Colors, then go to the color theme that is applied to this section, lightest one, in our case, lightest one, and then I can click on any element that I want and change the color for this color theme. Again, if we change colors here, they will be changed on the whole website where this color theme is applied. So if we change the heading color to brown, then in this testimonial section, this heading also became brown because it uses the same color theme, lightest one. So you just scroll down the page, replace your text and your button links. Keep in mind that this website template was designed with a pretty standard layout to help people navigate through your site. Make sure your website has a purpose. Your visitors shouldn't just looking at your website with no idea what to do next. There should always be call to action buttons. Use them. For example, ask for consultations, subscribe, contact you, read more, and so on. The next thing is contact and subscribe forms. This website has no subscribe form, but we can add one to see how it works. It is important to have a freebie if you're a coach, for example, that your visitors can download in order to get their names and emails. Click on Add section, hide site styles, Add section, forms, and subscribe to our newsletter. So click on the form, edit. You can see title and description. You can turn on name field if you want to. In the storage tab, you can choose Squarespace storage or connect MailChimp or Google Drive. When your subscription forms are ready, you can go to Save, Exit, Marketing tab, and here to Email campaigns. If you choose to use Squarespace, you can set up email campaigns right here. Squarespace offers you email templates as well, so you don't need a third-party email platform if you do not want to. It's all-in-one, all integrated, that make it pretty easy to use. Now let's check contact forms. Edit. We need to scroll down. Click on form that you need and edit. Here you can add some fields or delete them. Edit form fields. You can add a field, text area, checkbox, line, date, time, address, something, checkbox. Okay. Then you need to go to storage and add an email that will receive forms from your clients. And also you can connect services that you want to Google Drive or MailChimp. And here in footer you can add your social links. Just click on them and then edit and connect your links. And so on. Keep in mind, header and footer will be the same throughout every page, so you do not have to redesign it on every page. Also, here you can see links to privacy policy and terms and conditions. You can edit them if you go to Pages, Exit, Pages, and here Privacy policy and terms and conditions, and here you can edit the text. Let's move on. Fill all your information on other pages: about, portfolio, services, contact. Here you see a blog. Blog is connected automatically. Here you can find posts that will appear on this page. Click on it, go to Manage Posts, Settings. Here you can add and edit your posts, add your pictures and text, and then publish them. So you can remove image and add one that you like. You can see other options, publish here, comments, social image, and so on. Save. You won't have to do anything, it's just going to keep stacking them up here. If you create a new post, it's just going to put it there. This template does not have a shop, but I will create a page to show you how it works. So if the template you purchase has a shop, you do not need to do something manually. Shop as well is similar to the blog. Just click on it, then choose manage products, and here you can add your own products, photos, text, price, and so on. You do not need to do any design work. All your products will automatically appear here. So you can add your own product, or you can edit this one. Image, product name, then price, more details, and save. Also, you can change color at the checkout page. Go to design, checkout page, and here you can change colors. Background, header, and save. To manage your shop, you can go to commerce, and here you can set up your payment method, products, discounts, and so on. In the end, after editing all information, go to marketing and choose SEO appearance. Here you can find SEO checklist. You can set up your title and description of the website and so on. Make sure that you have this set up properly. Well, I hope it helps you to figure out the basics of how to customize this template, just simple things like text editing and uploading photos, changing colors, and so on. The last thing I want to remind is to check after all your edits mobile version. This template was designed to work on mobile and looks good. So after edits, just click here on mobile. Then you will see mobile design. Make sure that nothing has disappeared, everything is in its place, and everything is okay. When you are done, you can connect domains, set up payment method for your shop, and so on. All this information you can find in Squarespace Help Center or in PDF guide that you downloaded after purchase. Hope it was helpful for you and that you're excited to get started on a new website. Enjoy!